po, Mommy. Ngayon naman, tingnan at pakinggan nyo na lang sila. Dahil ito, ang keyboardist pa lang, nakakabilib na.
Ay, pasok natin dyan ang kanilang percussionist, ang guitarist na talaga naman bumubuo sa perfect acoustic sound nila, di ba, Louie?
That is right. At syempre, ang vocalist nila na for the first time, kakanta ng isang kanta na originally sung by a female. Aba, aba, aba.
Well, please welcome from Davao, Nor, Jester, John, and Kay, the Ezra Band.
It's true. Something like needs you. Not alone. Tell me you feel it too. 'Cause I will run away. I will run away. Yeah, yeah. I will run away.
Okay, on that note, that is it from the judges.
Friendship tayong dalawa, kahit ayaw natin banggitin yung pangalan ni Nor, banggitin na natin ngayon.
Sige.
Kasi, Nor, napakagaling mo. Naluha talaga ako. Because, ang laki-laki ng hinihinging participation ng keyboard sa kantang yan, and you outdid yourself. You are really amazing, Nor. Mabuhay ka.
Yes, sir.
Kahit hirap akong banggitin yung Nor kasi magi kami. Nor, para sa akin ay simbolo ka ng katatagan. At kayo ay tumatak sa sambayanan at para sa akin, kayo ang coolest band in the land.
Sir FMG.
You have come a long way. And tonight, I think, is the best performance that you have done.